Hey everyone, if you're looking to take your business to the next level with powerful partnership and affiliate marketing tools, you need to check out impact.com. With Impact, you can connect with affiliates, influencers, and partners who can help boost your sales and grow your brand. Here's why you should use impact.com: streamlined management, easily manage and track all your partnerships from one platform, performance insights, gain valuable insights into how your partnerships are performing and optimize for better results, scalable solutions. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, impact.com offers solutions to fit your needs. Trusted network. Connect with a broad network of affiliates and influencers who can help elevate your brand. Customizable campaigns. Tailor your campaigns to your specific goals and track their success in real time. Automated payments. Simplify the payment process with automated solutions that ensure timely and accurate transactions. Join impact.com today and start transforming your marketing strategy. The link to get started is right in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and updates on how to succeed in the digital world. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Subscribe now and stay tuned for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.